Why hello there. I am Master Chief. You may already know this, but I star in the Halo video game series. The games are famous for being extremely gay and are called the worst fucking things ever. Bungie left Microsoft to start developing games for the Pickle Station 69, which is a very swell console, so buy one now bitch. You also see me with the Arbiter in all of my pictures, because the Arbiter is my bitch. We engage in hot sweaty orgies every day. It sounds like this. That was pretty fucking swell. You probably have heard my theme song, which has a lot of fucking gay moaning. The moaning was accidentally put in, because me and Arbiter and Joseph were having a very swell orgy in the recording studio and Joseph wouldn't stop fucking moaning, because Arbiter was sucking his tiny ass penis. I also hate Gordon Freeman, for having the better games, and for having the sexy niggers and zombies on there. And the reason why I am always wearing that suit is, because I don't want to reveal my true identity. My true identity is Drew Pickles. Fuck. I just revealed it. I guess I must fire my cum laser to kill you. Swa 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 swa. Oh shit. You are still alive. Fuck. Well, the Arbiter and Joseph are calling me, so goodbye sexy bitches.